Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Professor Aziz. In today's topic, we will discuss about how to put windows and doors in door openings in floor plan. So, in our previous session that we had already done, uh, this plan was finalized. I just will use copy command. C. You have to write CO and then enter. Then you have to select first point and it will automatically copy that and show it to us. So for the sake of putting windows, you have to use line L and then connect these two lines with each other. And for the sake of bedroom, I will use 5 feet wide window. So for that purpose, I would take offset of this line with 2.5 feet. So and then click on both sides. First select this line and then click on both sides. Then you have to type L and connect midpoints of these two lines. Then you have to take offset and type 1.5 inches and then just copy it on both sides. And when it is made, then delete this line and copy it on another side. Or I would use another command which I had not discussed in our previous sessions, which is mirror command. First, you have to select this line. For mirroring, you have to first join these two lines. Then you have to select this object. Then you have to type MI and enter, and it will automatically tell you the midpoint, and you just have to drag it down, and it will ask you that is the source object, so we will go with no. And in this way you will get two windows of two bedrooms. Then you just have to copy it and then rotate it at 90 angle and just place it along the parapet. And you just have to copy it and place it. This is simple task. You just have to copy this window This is trial and error method. Also it requires practice. In this way, we had placed all the windows in our floor plan. So for opening doors, I just have to take the offset of this line, an offset of 6 inches. Then I will use another command which I had not discussed in our previous sessions, which is extend command. Type EX and then enter, and it will automatically connect these two lines. Then you just have to take offsets of 4 feet, and you just use trim command, and you just delete it. It will automatically generate this opening. For our reference, we just have to take the dimension of it, which is 4 feet, and you just have to do this on these both 6 inches. Use extend, then offset 2.5 feet, because these are bedrooms. So for this purpose I will just move this and use fillet command. Trim again for clearing open space, and then trim again, and then trim again. Also 6 inches for kitchen. Extend 3 feet, and then use trim. This way you can make the openings of windows and doors in Autocad. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. And hope it would be beneficial for you. Kindly subscribe my channel.